I'm not sure. I think I like it, but I also might hate it. Hi there, I'm Olivia. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unboxing for June, and I can't believe that it's already here. The year is flying by and it's ridiculous. I think we can all agree on that. But I'm really excited to see what I got here. I haven't looked at it inside yet, so we'll get to see what I got. I did see what the bag outside looked like, and I'm not a huge fan of this one. I definitely liked last month better. The one last month was really glittery and fun, but it still had kind of a overall neutral color scheme to it. This one, I don't love this shade of green, and I don't super love this like really thick zipper. I don't know, it's fine. I'll pass it along to someone else probably, see if they could use it, because I don't need so many bags anyway. But moving on to what's inside, it looks like, so the theme for this one is Welcome to the Block Party. It says that they're kicking off summer bright with rainbow hues, vibrant shadows, gloss, highlighters, and more, teamed up with Tetris. So I suppose that explains a little Tetris bit here on the zipper. But in terms of the colors on here, for when I do like an Ipsy inspired look after I've worn all these things for a month, which I'll have the one that I did for last month linked up above, and that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, a look inspired by the card from last month, so definitely check that out if you're interested. But I really like the shades on here. The yellow and purple together I think is really pretty. I mean, honestly, there's a lot of different colors going on here, so you could go in a bunch of different directions, but the yellow and the purple is definitely what stands out to me the most. So I'm excited to do a look based on that later. So the very first thing that I see here is a Pixi product, and I really like the brand. I haven't tried a ton of it. It's just kind of a recent thing that I've been trying a few more of their products, just because as far as drugstore products go, they're definitely on the more expensive side, but so far I've liked pretty much everything I've tried, I think. So it says it's a glossy lip plumper. So it looks like a pretty shade, kind of a cooler toned neutral. It says it's in this shade Sheer Rose, so I'm excited to try that out. I definitely prefer cooler toned lip products on myself, so that looks pretty. I'm excited to try that. And then it looks like we got an eyeshadow here, and this is a really cute package on the outside. So this one, it says Tetris and Ipsy, and it's kind of giving me like a, it's almost giving me like a mid-century vibe, just with the kind of graphic art style and the colors. I don't know, I think it's cute. I like the package on it. So I'm not sure what color I got. It says top out, so I don't know what that means. It means blue. So it looks like it's a really shimmery kind of bright blue here, almost like a teal. I just bought the ColourPop Blue Moon palette, and I can link that one too because I just did a ColourPop haul and try on, so I'll definitely link that one above too. But so I kind of feel like I'm set as far as blue eyeshadows go, but it looks like this one is blending out pretty well. It looks like the shimmers in here are actually fairly fine. When I was looking at it in the pan, I thought it might be kind of chunky, but it actually looks like it's pretty smooth, and even just blending it out with my finger here, it doesn't seem like it's patchy. Like, it seems like it blended fairly well. So I'm excited to try that. I don't know how long I'll hang on to this one, to be honest, just because it doesn't look like it's the type of single that would be super easy to depot, and it's a little bit annoying to just have a bunch of these like single floating around when they're like separately packaged. I'd rather either have it in you know, a palette with other colors, or if it's a single, to depot it and put it in like a Z palette. But I'll definitely give this one a go. It could be fun. I like blue. I have so much makeup on my hands right now. I'm sorry, hang on. Okay, sorry, I didn't think that would be something a regular old makeup post-it would be up to the challenge for. So it looks like the next thing that we have here is a nail polish. I've never gotten a nail polish from Ipsy before. So this is also blue, so it looks like we have a very blue theme going on for the month. The name of this shade is Secret Project Robot, which I think is funny. And you know, I might have a couple blue nail polishes. I actually can't remember. Recently I just kind of did a purge of a bunch of shades that I just either wasn't using very often or had gotten old and kind of dried up. And I feel like I did get rid of some blue nail polish. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I haven't heard of this brand before, Fluide. It says it's 7 free, so I don't know if that means like ingredients that are commonly in nail polish that can be kind of harmful, that it doesn't have those. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so it looks like I got a perfume this month, which I've never gotten a perfume in an Ipsy bag before, and I've always wanted to because I absolutely love fragrance, but they can be really expensive, and so I always want to try different ones because it can take a little while for me to really decide if I like it, like with my body chemistry, because there's been some perfumes that like I like how they smell on other people and I like how they smell in the store, but I don't necessarily like how they sit on me. It can take some time, so I'm really excited about this one. It says I am trash on here, so I don't know if that's the brand or if that's the name of the scent, but it looks like it's supposed to have orange in it. I'm not sure what else the notes are, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, so it says the notes on the inside here. It said it has bitter orange, apple, rose, cedarwood, and some kind of strawberry. Give that a spray. I like that. I think. Wait, maybe not. I'm not sure. I think I like it, but I also might hate it. So, like I said, it's hard for me to tell right away with fragrance. I definitely have to let it sit for a little while and even try it a few times before I really decide if I like it. But I'm really excited to be able to try a perfume, so pumped about that. Definitely let you know what I think about it. I'm definitely intrigued by this scent, which I think is a good thing. You know, if you can be anything, be interesting. I think good. I think good. And then the very last thing that we have today is the Benefit Gimme Brow. It looks like I got this one in the shade Neutral Light Brown. So I've never used this product before. This looks like it's gonna be the tiniest little baby sample ever. Oh my gosh. This looks like brow product for like an American Girl doll or something. Like, this is so teeny. That's like just barely bigger than my pinky. That's kind of ridiculous. But I'm excited to try this product. I've never tried this before. I don't know that I've ever tried any of Benefit's. Well, gosh. Okay, I've never tried any of Benefit's eyebrow products before. I think I've tried one or two of their mascaras. But we'll give this a go. I kind of hate getting like such tiny samples of it. It's like slightly annoying, but I understand if it's like an expensive brand. It's not like they can be giving you like a full-size thing or something, so no problem. So overall, I'm excited about what I got. I mean, nail polish isn't like my number one choice to get in a bag like this, at least not this shade. I definitely would prefer something either neutral or, well, I don't know. I mean, I do like colorful. I just don't normally go for blue. I'd either do like neutral or I would do like pink or orange. I guess warmer colors in general. But anyway, I'm excited to give that a try. I'm still not 100% sure how I feel about the perfume, so I might have to see what my husband thinks about it. Just get a couple other people's opinions, see if they like how it smells on me. But I'm excited to get the opportunity to try it, so that's really good. The eyeshadow, I mean, like I said, I just bought the Blue Moon palette, so I have lots of different blue shadows. And then, what was the last thing? Oh, and then the last thing that I got, the lip plumper here. I think it looks like a pretty shade, so I'm excited to try that. I'm definitely excited to keep trying Pixi products because so far what I've tried I've really liked. But that's everything here, so definitely stay tuned. I'll be doing, like I said, an Ipsy inspiration look based off of this card for next month, so definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye!